We'll cover essential CNC machining cycles and interpolation types for efficient programming. E81 is your standard drilling cycle, simple and effective for through holes. G83 handles deep hole drilling using PEC feeds to clear chips effectively. G73 is for chip breaking, ideal for shallow pecking in tough materials. E84 performs right-hand tapping, synchronizing spindle and feed for threads. G74 is for left-hand tapping, crucial for reverse thread applications. GA2 executes back boring, retracting the tool without cutting on return. E86 is the rough boring cycle, quickly removing material for initial sizing. G76 provides fine boring, achieving precise hole dimensions and surface finish. E85 is the reaming cycle, ensuring accurate hole sizing and superior finish.